Let's learn English. My class, your class. Today's lesson. Going to the movies.
This Saturday we are going to the movies. We are going to see a superhero movie. I particularly love going to the movies. And love everything we can find there. Come with us and learn a new vocabulary about it. Box office is the place where you buy the tickets. Concession stand is where you go to buy the snacks.
Yummy, yummy.
Let's see some snacks vocabulary. Popcorn. Bars of chocolate. Soft drink. Candies. Lollipops. Chewing gum. Now, let's learn a little more vocabulary. Screen. I simply love watching movies in a large screen. It's amazing. Seat. I love these comfortable seats.
Wow!
Movie posters, where we can see the films currently showing and what is scheduled for soon. Soundtrack. It makes all the difference. Now let's talk about the people that make it happen. Usher is the person that helps you when you arrive there. Checking your ticket, showing your seat. Director is the person responsible for directing the filming. Actor and actress are the people who act in the film. Audience, it's me and you, those who watch the movies. Now, it's your turn. Let's practice the new vocabulary. Which one is the box office? 1, 2, or 3? Right. It's number 1. Very good. Now, which one of these pictures is the screen? You got it. It's number 3. The last one. Which one of these is the usher? Great! It's number 2. Excellent!
Now, you have learned the vocabulary about cinema. Did you like this video? So, what about subscribing the channel for more?